Hey everyone, it's Miss Freeman. I wanted to come to you today to show you some ways that you can use our library from your home. Now, I just want you to think about this quote I have here. It says, "Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body." We all know that it's important to take care of our bodies. We exercise, we eat well, we pay attention to the way that we feel in our bodies, but sometimes we don't take the best care of our brains or our minds. So I'd like you to consider some of these resources as ways for you to exercise your brain, to keep it active. I know you're doing tons of schoolwork right now, and these activities, I think at least, are a little bit more fun, but they are still all about keeping you healthy inside your mind. Um, so let's jump in. The first one is our library website. This is easily accessed at sites.google.com/plano88.org/PMS online library, or on the library Schoology page, or on our Instagram page. This website has tons of free and fun resources for you to explore, like museum tours, ways for you to interact with your little siblings through books. It also has tons of book lists. So if you're really interested in one genre, this is a good place for you to go to explore that genre and to find some books that you haven't read before, or to explore different genres. It's a good way to spend your time without melting your brain. So you're reading, you're looking for new books, you're exploring different places, and you're not watching the same thing over and over, or playing the same game over and over. So it's just like a little bit of exercise for your brain. We also have a library YouTube page. I know a lot of you spend a ton of your time watching YouTube. So this would be a great way to add a little bit of library to your daily life just by subscribing and watching these videos. I post, I think, 2 videos a week, just about. And I post about new books. I post a first chapter Friday every week where I read the first chapter of one of our books in our library. And I post how-tos on how to use our library and the resources that we have. Next, I have a library Instagram page. On this Instagram page, I post pictures of what's going on in the library. I also post updates. So if you're someone who has a hard time keeping up with your emails and Schoology notifications, but you're on Instagram all the time, you can follow this page for updates and for other information about our library. You can also request a book. Now, this is new. All you have to do is send me a Schoology message or an email, and we will find a way to get the book to you. If you're someone who has transportation during the day, if your mom, dad, aunt, uncle, grandma, grandpa stays home with you, or an older sibling, or you live close to the school, you can walk or drive or ride your bike here and pick the book up. If you don't have transportation during the day, I'd be more than happy to come by and drop the book in your mailbox or on your porch or in another secure place. I know that a lot of you aren't into ebooks and audiobooks, and I completely understand. I've heard from a lot of people that they just really like to turn the pages of a book and feel it in their hands. So it's important to me that you do get some reading in during this time. So I'd be happy to get the book to you in whatever way we can figure out. We will have weekly Zoom meetings during this time. I have the schedule made from December through January. That is posted on our Schoology page and on the Instagram page. During these meetings, you can connect with other students who love the library and who love books, reading, writing, and other media. Our first meeting will be on December 7th, and we will cover social media use, how it can benefit us, and we'll discuss some fun pages that are wholesome and positive, where we can get some happy thoughts. I know social media can be kind of a time suck a lot of times, and also a joy sucker. So I'm hoping to put a little bit of joy back into your social media and to help you use it more mindfully, because it is such a big part of a lot of your lives. If you ever want to talk or you have any questions or comments or suggestions, please contact me. My email is afreeman@plano88.org. My Instagram, again, is Library Lady Freeman, and I'm always on Schoology, so you can send me a message anytime. I'll do my best to get back to you as quick as I can, because it makes me happy to talk to you guys and to hear your questions and suggestions. I hope to see you all soon. Don't forget to request some books. Bye.